Can you access characters in Python strings? Have you ever wondered how to get specific letters or symbols from a string in Python? Let's break it down in a simple way. Yes, you can access individual characters in Python strings. Strings are sequences of characters, and each character has a position called an index. You can use these indices to retrieve characters directly. First, let's talk about indexing. You access characters using square brackets with an index number. Python uses zero-based indexing. This means the first character is at index 0, the second at index 1, and so forth. For example, if you have a string named greet that says, hello, you can get the character at index 1 by writing greet. This will return the character e, since it is the second character in the string. Next, we have negative indexing. This is a neat feature in Python that counts from the end of the string. The last character is at index -1, the second last at -2, and so on. Using our greet example again, greet -4 will also give you e. This can be really handy when you want to access characters from the end of a string without knowing its length. Now let's discuss slicing. Slicing allows you to access a range of characters. You specify a start and end index separated by a colon inside the square brackets. For instance, greet1, 4 will return L. This includes characters from index 1 up to but not including index 4. It's a great way to grab a portion of a string. It's also important to know that strings in Python are immutable. This means you cannot change a character directly by assigning a new value to an index. If you want to modify content, you will need to create a new string. Another useful tip is that you can loop through a string to access each character one by one using a for loop. This is especially helpful when you want to perform actions on each character. If you try to access an index that is outside the range of the string length, Python will raise an index error. To avoid this, you can use the len function to find the length of a string. This helps you manage indices safely. Understanding how to access characters in strings is essential for many programming tasks. Whether you are parsing text, manipulating data, or implementing algorithms that work with textual input, knowing how to access characters is a key part of learning Python programming essentials.